Hi, this is Beth Sheffield from the Greensboro Public Library. I'm going to show you today how to make a simple wreath out of your backyard. You only need 3 things plus some plant materials. So you need something to cut with. Clippers are ideal, but you can also do this with scissors. And since some of you may not have clippers at home, I'm going to do this project with scissors. Need a couple of twist ties, a piece of string would do, some sort of fastener would do, and you need a pot. Really, this is just to have a round surface to start your circle with for the wreath. So any kind of round surface would do. Okay, let's make our wreath. So go out into your yard and pick some things to use for your wreath. Now, I went ahead and got some ivy. A little thing about ivy, leaves of 3, let it be. This is English ivy, so this is the ivy you want to use. The good thing about this, and anything you use for your wreath, is you want to use thick stems. That will hold up a little longer. So take your pot, wrap a starting piece around, and secure it with your twist ties. So now you have the beginning circle. You can take more ivy and wrap it around your initial circle. And when you get to an end that doesn't have much plant material, you can just cut that off and then just tuck the end somewhere into your circle wreath. Then take it, kind of arrange the leaves a little bit. And the great thing about this is you can take different materials from your yard. So I'm going to take some of this shrub and notice I'm taking kind of a long piece. You want to take it longer than the whole width of the wreath, because then that way you can twist it in a little faster. And you can just kind of play with it, see what works best for you. The most important thing is to tuck one end into the wreath that you've already started working on. And then just twist around. Tuck your other end in. See? It's coming together. We're going to walk down here. And it's nice to get something that will smell good. So here's some rosemary that I just happen to have in my yard. You can kind of weave in. Like I said, just have fun with it. These you can actually just kind of stick in like that. So again, it's supposed to be organic. Like I said, it's just something fun that you can do with your family. Like I said, and just have fun with it. Make a wreath. And something for the spring to stick on your door. Thanks. So here's the finished wreath, just something fun you can do with your family for Earth Day. You can trim some of the interior ones if it's blocking the center, or maybe if one's too tall, you can trim up there or two around the edges just to kind of pretty it up. Remember, we have all sorts of resources at the Greensboro Public Library online. We have books on crafting that you can check out with the e-library. We also have crafting videos on our service canopy. So check us out at www.greensborolibrary.org. Thank you.